Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 6, Lesson 9. Today we're going to look at dividing greater numbers, right? We're not always going to have easy tens divided by ones. Sometimes we get bigger numbers. So what do we do when we do that? We're going to be dividing 3 and 4-digit numbers, and it's really very similar to how we divided 2-digit numbers. So let's get started. Here we have example 1. There are 678 people in line to ride a roller coaster. Each coaster car holds 6 people. How many coaster cars are needed so that everyone in line rides the coaster once? All right, so what we're going to be doing here is dividing 678 by 6. Now, this is just like we were practicing before, guys, with 2 digits, except there are now 3 digits underneath the division house. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 6 divided by 6 is 1. Then I'm going to multiply. 6 times 1 is 6. And subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring it on down. Then bring it back up to divide. 7 divided by 6 is 1. Multiply. 6 times 1 is 6. And subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. This is where it gets different. Bring it on down. Right? We just keep bringing it on down until we don't have anything to bring on down. And bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Multiply. 6 times 3 is 18. And subtract. There's nothing else to bring down, so we are done. 113 is our quotient for this division problem. Okay, so we kind of follow those same rules of our divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. We just keep going around and around and around that process until we're got nothing else to bring down. So let's do it again. Okay, a roller coaster takes about 4 minutes to travel its 1,970 foot track. How many feet does the coaster travel in 1 minute? Which means we have to divide it by 4, right? To see how long it would take in 1 minute. So here we go. I'm just going to rewrite this because I don't like filling in their tiny little things. They did all the work for us, and then we're not learning anything. So we have 1,970 divided by 4 minutes. So the first thing we're going to do is divide. 1 divided by 4. I can't do it. I've got to go on over to our friend, the hundreds place. And now I'm doing 19. Not just 9, right? I can't just forget about the 1. The 1's still there. So I need to do 19 divided by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, okay? Only 4. Minus 6, multiply. 4 times 4 is 16. And subtract 3. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 37 divided by 4. Well, I know 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. Ooh, yeah. Multiply. 4 times 9 is 36. And subtract 1. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 10 divided by 4 is 2. Multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. And subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. There's nothing else to bring down, so this is my remainder. Okay, so we get 492. Remainder 2. So let's see, what does our problem say now that we're supposed to do here? It travels a little more than 492 feet each minute. Okay, check. The answer, a little more than 492 is reasonable because our estimate was about 2,000. Oops, sorry, I skipped that part. Up here, we were saying 1,970 is about 2,000. So if I'm going to take 2,000 divided by 4, I could think of my patterns, right? Now, think of this. can I take 2 and divide it into 4 equal groups? If I have 2 apples and 4 friends, can I give each one an apple? I cannot. Well, technically I can cut the apples, but we're not going to quite get there yet because cutting apples is called fractions. But, so what if I did 20 divided by 4? Yeah, we know that's 5, right? So if I do 200 divided by 4, it'd be 50, which makes 2,000 divided by 4, 500. So our estimate would be about 500. And is 500 close to 492? Yeah. All right, next. I'm going to do number 2 because that doesn't have all the answers for us because I am not a fan of having all the answers given to us. So here we go. 745 divided by 2. Okay. First, we're going to do 7 divided by 2 is 3. So there was my divide, right? What I did in my head is I'm like, well, 2, 4, 6. Oh, I can get 3 in there. Multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. And subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Multiply. 2 times 7 is 14. And subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 5 divided by 2 is 2. Multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. And subtract. There's nothing else to bring down, so this is my remainder. So my quotient is 372, remainder 1. Use estimation to check. Okay, oops, didn't do that again. Here's what I'm going to notice. I'm noticing this. I'm going to do 800 divided by 2. Because that's an easy one for me because I know that 8 divided by 2 is 4. 80 divided by 2 is 40. So 800 divided by 2 is 400. Is 372 and 400, are they close together? Yes, they are. So we know we're good to go. Here we go. Let's do some more. 500. I'm going to rewrite because I need more space. I'm going to put these little guys down there. Okay. 534 divided by 3. Notice when I'm saying this, I'm not saying 3 divided by 534. We don't say it like we read. We have to kind of go backwards. We say inside divided by the outside. So anyways, here we go. Divide. 5 divided by 3 is 1. Multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. And subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 23 divided by 3. Well, I know that 3 times 7 is 21. Multiply. 3 times 7 is 21. And subtract. 2 left over. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 24 divided by 3. Well, 7 times 3 was 21. If I add one more 3 in there, I get to 24, so it must be 8 3s. Multiply. 3 times 8 is 24. And subtract 0. So my answer is 178. We're supposed to use, let's use multiplication to check. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 on the outside multiplied by my quotient, little guy on top, 178. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 more is 23. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 more is 5. 534, and I was supposed to get 534. It checks out. So 178 is our answer, our quotient. All right, next guy. Ooh, we got more digits here, guys. Let's see if we can do it. 2,761 divided by 7. Okay? 2 divided by 7. If I have 7 baskets and 2 apples, can I put an equal amount into each one? Nope. So let's go over to 27. 27 divided by 7 is going to be 3. Multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. I've got 6 left over because 7 times 4 is 28, but that's too much. And you know what would be helpful, you guys? If you're struggling with your multiplication facts, do this. Because we're going to be dividing all of these by 7. So let's just do a little multiple chart of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. Right? Isn't that kind of helpful? Oops, looks like I'm going to need a little more than 56. 56 plus 7 is 63. And then 70. Okay, we should be good there. So, I just subtracted. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 66 divided by 7. We can get to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Multiply. 7 times 9 is 63. And subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 31 divided by 7. Looks like I can get up to 28. So that'd be 4. Multiply. 7 times 4 is 28. And subtract. 3. So my remainder is 3. Let's check this one. I'm going to write it down. 394. Remainder 3. Let's check with multiplying for this one. Okay. So first I need to do 7 times 394. 4 times 7 is 28. 9 times 7 is 63. Plus 2 more. 64, 65. 65. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 6 more is 27. Wait a minute. We did not get the same answer. I was supposed to get 2,761. What did I forget? Hopefully you're at home saying, Mrs. Hamer, don't forget to add in your remainder. You're right. We need to add in the 3 that were left over. 8, 9, 10, 11. 2,761. Check. All right. That is all that I have for you for today. Thank you for watching to the very end. Make sure you let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you later. Bye.